This hospital is so boring. My leg hurts, and I think this is going to be a very long day.
It is 8:15. I looked again, but only 1 minute passed. This is going to be impossible. Nurse, I am really bored. Can I please do something more exciting than staring at this ceiling all day?
What was that noise? I heard something fall outside. Maybe someone needs help, and I should take a look. I know I should stay in bed, but I only want to look outside. I will be very careful. Why is everyone running so quickly? Something strange is happening here, and I really want to know what it is.
Henry, what are you doing here? You must stay in your room until the doctor says it is safe.
I heard a strange sound coming from that direction, and it sounded like something was leaking inside.
Henry, stay back. This is not a normal water leak, and we need help immediately.
Look under the machine! That red light was blinking before, and I think something is very wrong.
This pipe is damaged. I have never seen this problem here before, and we need to clear this area.
Wait, what is this? It was lying on the floor, and it feels strangely cold.
Where did you find this piece? It does not look like normal hospital equipment. Look behind the machine! There is a hidden panel there, and I do not think it belongs here.
What is inside that wall? I have never seen anything like this in our hospital before.
That is the same red light! I saw it earlier, and now it is hidden inside the wall. The light is getting faster. Something is happening, and I think we should move away now.
Keep moving, Henry. We need everyone away from that equipment until security arrives.
Officer, there is a hidden box behind the wall. Its red light is blinking very fast, and something is wrong.
You did the right thing, Henry. Stay here with the doctor while we check that hidden machine.
I hope they are careful. I do not know what that machine can do, and that makes me nervous.
Nobody touch the box. We need to understand what it is before we make anything worse.
Doctor, why is everyone so worried? Is that strange machine connected to the hospital?
We do not know yet, Henry, but the security team is checking it, so you are safe here with us.
Did you hear that? Something just made a loud sound near the maintenance room.
Stay here, Henry. We heard the same noise, and we need everyone away from that room.
Look over there. That bag was not there before, and I think someone left it here.
Nobody touch the bag. We do not know who left it here or what is inside.
There is a blue paper inside. Maybe it can tell us who brought this strange bag here. It says room 214. Why would someone leave this message here? And what is inside that room?
Room 214 again. Something keeps pointing us there, so maybe we should check it.
Room 214 has been empty for months. I do not understand why someone keeps sending us there.
Maybe we missed something before. Can we look at room 214 one more time, just to be sure?
Henry, everything looks normal, but I still feel like something important is hiding somewhere in this room.
Look at the floor. The chair has moved many times, and those scratches look very fresh. Henry was right. There is something behind this chair, and it looks like a hidden panel.
Wait, I have something that might fit. Maybe this little metal piece is actually a key.
It fits. I think we just found something that someone really wanted to keep hidden. Wow. This is not just a room. Someone was watching the hospital from here.
That screen is showing me. Someone may still be watching us right now.